Disclaimer, if you hear anybody talking in the background, it is indeed my family. I am filming on the weekend. I usually film after school, but since I was very busy at school this week and I had a lot of ideas for filming in mind, I just decided to film on a Saturday. But as you can see, my family has the biggest mouth in the whole entire world, so yeah. Anyways, getting into this, I am going to be reacting to iKON's new music video releases called Airplane and Rhythm Ta. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. There has been a lot of talk about these two music videos and like what they're expecting from iKON or whatever, but honestly, I'm just here to react to them. I'm not really a diehard iKON fan. I wasn't really anticipating their debut. I mean, I was anticipating it, but I was like, oh my god, iKON needs to debut. Like, to be honest, I forgot about it halfway through the year. So without further ado, let's just get into these reactions because this is going to be an extra long video because I've reacted to music videos in one. So let's get into this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, airplane. I don't know how high the volume is on this. You guys, like, I had to remind myself of the volume. Aww. Jawline. Okay, let's not talk. Bobby. Aww. Oh, they're all like consoling him. You're gonna get a no reply Hamden? I feel you. Aww. Ooh, he is feeling his girl. I don't know, who would you choose, Hamden or Bobby? Aww. They're so cute. I love all their clothes. Oh. So are they like friends or like she's dating one of them? I think I choose Bobby. And you have his blonde hair. He's really cute. Bobby is A1, like a freaking one, like get it, Bobby. I love all their sets for all their music videos. It's so like laid back. Oh, he's pretty. He's very different looking from the rest of them. Oh. Hey. Oh my god, you're so attractive. I can't. Please stop looking like that. Oh, how are you gonna do him like that? That's messed up. He's giving me problems. The one with blonde hair is giving me problems. I still haven't read the names, by the way. Because I'm like too busy and too lazy. Oh, hello. I have to cough. She's going away. Holy shit, she's leaving. So you better get her. Go get her. Watch, Bobby's gonna be there too. Oh my god, this is so dramatic. I don't like it. Oh my gosh, she's going away. You're missing her. She's leaving. Oh my god. That was so sad. Why? Just, y'all, iKON's messing with my feelings. Just, okay. Let's just go to the next one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, did I not push my? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh, heck no. Oh my god, this is so different from the other two. boy, as long as this boy does not have something in his lip. I saw armpit hair. Oh my god. No, he's shirtless. Wow, he's shirtless. Let's not talk about Oh my god. This boy's getting it. Excuse me. Bobby, you can't be looking like that, okay? He told y'all to come and get it. He told us to come and get it. This boy's giving me problems with his blonde hair and no contacts. Oh, this is so different from the other one. Like the other two. I like them, especially since it's red. That's my favorite color. Bobby! Look at, he is in a robe. A robe. They all look good in those fucking jerseys. Just, oh my god! Stop! Oh, there's a pretty one. He's really pretty. He has such a different look than the others. Wait, I feel like it's like someone said I'm biased. Oh, yep, it is. I just forgot his name. Yeah, I don't know any of their names, but I know what they look like, and then I think I know their names. How could... Dude, I want one of those jerseys. I want Bobby's. Give him that robe. Confiscate that robe from him. Oh, what's up with all the basketball playing? And all these music videos lately. This boy is so rude. Extra rude. With that hair? Yep, definitely. And then big lips? Definitely. Oh, it's raining now. Oh. Oh my god. I think I really like this music video. Okay.
Holy freaking crap. That was like two different. Airplane was completely different from Rhythm Ta. Like, oh, I can't even speak. Like, I was so sad. And then I watched the other one and I was just like so happy. And it was just, holy crap. I enjoyed like all of it. Like the way everyone looked was so good. And it's just, I really enjoyed both of the songs. And I felt like, I don't know, I felt like there could have been more choreography in Rhythm Ta, like a little bit, but I really liked Airplane and the storyline. I thought that was so cute. The real question for Airplane is like, Bobby or Hadbin? I vote Bobby, because I love Bobby. And Bobby was shirtless in the other one. That's not okay. That's not okay. That's not okay. Like, okay, I need to get up on my iKON game. Like, I need to learn all their names and just, because they're messing with my emotions right now. Because those music videos like, I just went on a roller coaster. Really, I'm sweating. I'm sweating right now. Like, this is not okay. Like, oh my god. It's just, oh, okay. Whew. I know there's been a lot of like talk about like, oh, I don't think iKON's giving it their all and all that kind of stuff, but I don't really know what to say about that because I didn't watch iKON on Mix and Match, and I didn't really keep up with them. Like I said, I wasn't really anticipating their debut a lot. Like, I was anticipating it, but I wasn't like, oh my god, when are they going to debut? Is iKON going to debut this month? No, I wasn't like that. So I don't know what to say. I don't know iKON like that. So yeah, but I I really liked both of the music videos. I loved Airplane. I thought it was a really cute and kind of heartbreaking storyline, and then they just smacked us upside the head with like the other one, because they went full on, like, I think very different from my type and Airplane. So I really liked it, and I really need one of those jerseys in my life. So yeah, I'm just really, like, my heart cannot take all these comebacks in the span of almost 2 months. Like, it's already October 3rd, and it's October 3rd. Yeah, but it's already October 3rd, and I'm like, I've been having heart problems for like the past month, and I don't think it's okay. Like, no one, you can't, no, like, K-pop industries, entertainment labels, y'all messing with my emotions, and I don't appreciate it. But at the same time, I do appreciate it because it makes me happy. But yeah, I guess that's all I really have to say for this video. Make sure to give this video a like and comment down below any of your thoughts or your suggestions or your requests. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. The subscribe button is down below. And if you want to follow me on social media, I have a Twitter and an Instagram that you can follow me on, and they are always in the description. So I will see you guys in my next video, which should look the same because I'm going to film this all on the same day. So yeah. Alright, bye guys. Peace.